Hey there YouTube. So today I'm going to change this catalytic converter. It's on a Dodge Ram pickup. It's actually straight piped, so for to pass emissions I got to put a catalytic converter on here. So of course you need the cat. I'm going to need a couple exhaust clamps here. I rented this pipe cutter from O'Reilly's, and of course it doesn't hurt to have a Sharpie to mark your exhaust. So, and then looking under here, I'm just gonna check this out. Just a straight pipe here. Actually has an axle dump on it. So here's where I'm gonna cut. I actually had already put the marks on there, so should be good to go and get to cutting. Alright, so I actually already made marks, but I'll just show you what's up. I'm gonna put it right here. So I actually made marks on the inside of the pipe here so that I have something to slip through. And with the tool here, you can check this out. It's got a chain with, you know, these cutting wheels on there. Really all you do, open this up good and wide, kind of get it centered on your mark, just slip it in there. Alright, get it lined up. Should be good. Then you're just going to want to apply some pressure here and get to cutting. The deeper in the pipe you go, obviously, the more pressure you're going to need. And wear safety glasses, of course. Alright, check it out. See here? Kind of cut it. Got a little off track because I let the pressure off a little bit, but should come. Alright, so I just got back from O'Reilly's because the other tool broke. So I decided to come back here to the other side and cut that while this is still kind of attached, so you know, it ain't flopping around. And yeah, it's a pretty good idea to make sure you get this bitch lined up right away. So again, don't forget your safety glasses. Safety first. Alright, there it was. Of course I missed it. But yeah, nice smooth cut there. So now I'm gonna come back up here and try and cut here. So right there. So this one wasn't quite as clean of a cut because I didn't get it straight when I initially started cutting, but there she is. Definitely wear safety glasses. Faux show. So yeah, I actually had to slip it off, put it on the back first, and then I'm just getting it put back on the front here. So just as long as you have enough for your clamps to hold, obviously. So, and the back's looking good, so we're gonna clamp it on here. So yeah, I just have to tighten up the clamps here, take it to emissions, and should pass. It's just a visual inspection for a cat in Arizona, so should be good to go. It's a diesel, so I don't have to worry about any O2 sensors or anything. But appreciate you watching. Go ahead and get that tool. It's a lot easier than using a Sawzall for sure. Wear safety glasses, and yeah, go ahead and like and comment, subscribe if you want. So appreciate it. Have a good one. So yeah, here's the finished product. All good to go.